Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Marina local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of skilled movers can make sure your long-distance move goes properly. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 2,000 miles away, we will assist. By using the right moving services to assist you, any type of relocation, small or large, becomes a lot simpler. If you're looking for a general move or a full-service move, our company offers all the choices you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you want to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the cost may seem hard. When you evaluate the key advantages you get, the cost may be much easier to handle. The time savings you gain can make hiring a moving company one of the best choices you've made. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our crew of experienced movers will definitely make sure your move is really efficient. You do not need to stress over spending several days taking care of your move when you select 3 movers to help. We can easily complete even the largest moves in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marina moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request